Why does she think that's comfortable? I only have one drawer. This is today's fit today. I said today's fit today, Lord have mercy. I got on a green turtleneck with my green bag, with some jeans and my black thigh boots. And I got my gloves and my scarf, and my hat is my purse. I'm making sure I'm nice and warm today because today is supposed to be the coldest day since we've been here. So I have to make sure I'm layered up. I got on like a pair of leggings, undershirt, gloves, hat. If I'm not warm today, it's gonna be a problem. I've seen it from Twitter. So we're about to get ready to walk as a group to take pictures. It's like a class picture. Like everybody on the trip has to go to the red stairs and take a picture. I guess for like memories or whatever. Then after that, we're gonna go and do whatever we're gonna do today. We're going to the top of rock first. Or no? We're going to the top of rock first, and then that's all we got planned today. We're currently walking to the steps. Oh, bitch, you know it's cold. I can't even talk without the smoke coming out my mouth. You cold, Vicky?
The smoke is coming from my nose, vlog.
It is definitely cold.
Honestly, my upper body is hard.
Honestly, I'm really warm.
I got 4 layers, but with these legs.
I feel like the only thing that's gonna be cold is my face, because I literally have on double of everything. 2 shirts, plus this coat, 2 pair of pants, plus some long socks, plus these thigh-high boots. I'm pretty warm.
I should have put on some pants.
Yeah, because yesterday I didn't, and I was freezing. Like, my thighs were literally frozen. So yeah, if you ever come to New York, make sure you double up. Make sure you layer up, because it is definitely cold. And we just checked the weather. The weather said it's 19 degrees outside, but it feels like 7 degrees. I'll stick to my 7. And you know, it's crazy because we be complaining in the States where I was talking about 70 degrees be cold or 60 degrees be cold. This ain't, right, that ain't nothing.
My shorts and flip-flops.
Right. That ain't nothing compared to this.
All right.
We're inside of H&M. I tried to give y'all a better outfit cam. Well, let me put my scarf down. Outfit cam. What? Okay. Hey, Vicky.
Oh, I'm on camera. I might get this sweater for Christmas.
You mean to wear for Christmas Day? I want to buy something, but H&M is for rich people, and I am by far.
Oh, this sweater's $10.
Oh, really? Yeah. I might buy some clothes, but I want to buy some coats. Let's see what I'll go get. So let's see. So I finally got everything situated after about an hour. I've been sitting at customer service for the longest, trying to figure out why my ticket's not working, but they finally figured it out. And we're about to go up at 1:55. It is currently like 1:30, so we got like 20 minutes before we go. And I'm tired. So.
I'm gonna read from the bottom up. No, I'm saying.
I hope the view is pretty. It's daytime. It's not nighttime like I wanted it to be, but I mean. So the issue ended up being that when we went to the Statue of Liberty, we went to up here because when we got off of the subway, somebody was telling us to go to Pier 16. So then we went to somebody else. They told us to go to Pier 16 too. So we went to Pier 16. We get to Pier 16. He scanned my thing. He was like, "Oh, you have to go to Pier 15 because that's the only place that accepts y'all. That's the only place that accepts y'all passes." So we went to Pier 15 and scanned it. We got on. So basically, the Statue of Liberty scanned my pass twice, which is why mine didn't work. But we got it together, and it's back working. So this is the last excursion, and then after this, we're supposed to be going to eat. Then after that, we're going home. I'm ready to go home to Statesboro. And I did enjoy my time here, but I'm pooped. I don't have any more energy. I'm done. And we're not even at the top yet. Period. New York. You look good. We just came down from the top of the rock. Oh, I thought I lost my camera for a second. We just left the top and now we're going back downstairs. We have a reservation for Benihana at 3:15. It's like 2:11, 2:30-ish, maybe. I don't know. So that's where we're about to go. We're going to eat with Mian's cousin because we're leaving today and she wanted to see him one more time before we leave. So we're trying to figure out where he at so we can figure the timing out.
Righteous on the beat.
Benihana was really good. This is my first time eating it. I probably won't come back in, but it was good. With the headphones on this side. Wait, it was this way. Inside scoop. How does it feel to be homeless?
So, you know, it's really tough. But you know, we're making it. We're making it. We're almost there, almost to the finish line. I think we just gotta hang in there just a little bit longer. We're just gonna sit in here till you know until we gotta go, and if not, we're gonna go to the library. Yeah.
How does it feel to be homeless? Okay. Yeah, how does it feel to be homeless?
Honestly, I never thought that I would reach this point so early in my career. But you know, it's gonna build my character. I feel.
Okay. All right.
I'm just cold. Say 47.
No,
I
I'm
didn't
talking
take
the
them this
other
way.
Oh, wrong as hell. We're going the wrong way because of you.
Well, it's y'all who gonna have to suffer. I don't give a fuck about wrong.
How far was it?
No, we was just supposed to turn right and not turn left. So we just gotta go down it.
I'm dead.
You know, that's the sign.
Look, Turk said they want me this time.
I said 47. I ain't say which way to go.
I had a feeling because I'm like, bro, this don't look like Times Square.
I don't see no lights.
We're finally get off. It's 1 o'clock, so I'm probably not gonna get back to my house until like 2:30. It's just go back to sleep at we've been on the bus so far, I've literally just been editing videos and sleeping. I've been trying to pre-edit them, so I don't have to do as much when I get back home. We're dropping Vicky off at Armstrong. Wait for it in an hour. No, it's not getting posted till tonight. No. I'm not even done editing it. I'll see y'all when we get charged in this.